Hello, this is Ivor. Today, let me show you if our machine have malfunction code, how to adjust our machine. As you can see, if here show E1 it means leakage of electricity. You should send to after sales survey. E2 means outlet temperature is set 55 degrees. You should select the lower power and turn down temperature. If show E3, it means temperature proof of water outlet is warm. Replace the temperature proof of water outlet. If here show E4, it means dry burning. You should restart the machine and adjust the lower power rating.